In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to log time and track time in Zoho Books. This platform has made work easier by providing you with different features that enable you to monitor and keep track of your work effectively. It is crucial to keep track of your time since it serves as a reference on how you are spending it and where you are applying your efforts. Let's get started. Navigate to the panel labeled Time Tracking, and within that, you will find an option called Timesheet. Click this, and you'll be taken to a page that is dedicated to time management. It's all part of the smart structure that Zoho Books has built into its system to help professionals like you stay organized. Next, you will notice a button in the top right corner labeled Log Time. Click on this button and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you're going to want to select Log Time again. This is Zoho Books' way of confirming that you really want to track your time, and it ensures that you're intentionally creating this log. Now, the date seems like a simple enough detail, right? However, it's absolutely crucial for precise time management. So go ahead and enter the date for the time you are logging. Afterwards, you will spot a drop-down menu that is meant to integrate your already in progress projects into this time log. From this drop-down, select the name of the project that you're currently working on. This adds another level of organization to your time tracking, and it allows you to see how much time is being devoted to each individual project. The next step is to select a task name, or perhaps you might need to create a new one. This helps to break down your project into manageable parts and track the time spent on each task. It will enable you to understand the time consumption of each part of your projects. Now, it's time to enter the time spent. By tracking time spent, you're equipping yourself with valuable data that can help with scheduling, productivity, and future planning. Side by side, add other necessary details, such as checking the box marked billable if the time you're logging is billable time. This feature can serve as a basis for invoicing your clients accurately and fairly. Lastly, when you're confident that all your details are entered correctly, go ahead and click Save. This will record your detailed log and help in tracking your performance. In conclusion, Zoho Books provides you with an efficient way to keep track of time, ensuring you maximize productivity and manage projects seamlessly. Isn't it amazing how it lets us work smarter? Why not try logging your time now? You'll really notice the difference it makes in your workflow.